Hey man, do you want some beer? Want some beer? Yeah. Everybody, welcome to vlog 3, day 3, not even day 3, it's day 4. Anyways, welcome to vlog 3. Hope you guys have been enjoying the vlogs. Anyways, this morning we're just chilling at the home, playing some Fortnite. But now we're decided to go to the shops and do something different. We're probably gonna watch a movie. And so yeah, but we're just looking around until the movie starts. So yeah. Pull my finger, bro. Pull my.
Cringe compilation 2018. Enjoy.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. I don't know why I keep welcoming you back, but I actually have eyes at the back of my head, so I'm gonna just show you. I can guess how many fingers Stan is putting up. He's putting up his pinky. Is he putting up his pinky? Oh! You just got pranked by Prank Patrol. Hey guys. What's up everybody? Welcome to bowling. Welcome to bowling in New Zealand. So we're bowling with the squad right now. We actually.
Welcome. You've just joined us for a game of extreme dare bowling. What happens is there is 10 rounds. On the screen you can see 10 rounds. After each round, the loser of that round gets given a dare. Let's see how crazy today's game goes.
Let's do it, boys.
All right, let's go.
Okay. We know who's losing.
Yeah. Just a side note, Liam's gonna win.
Very nice, Stan.
Okay. This one's for my YouTubers, bro. Skis and sisters. Not just my bros. I believe in equality. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Anyways, we're trying to work out what's happening with Leon. What are we gonna do to him? What does he have to do?
He has to sit in number 9 booth next to all these teenagers and just sit there awkwardly.
We gotta put a time limit on.
You gotta be there for 10 seconds.
10 seconds is fine.
What? You gonna do that?
Come on, where? Which one?
Number 9, look.
Number 9. Alright guys, we have to sit in booth number 9 and I'm gonna count for 10 seconds, alright? Watch out. Done. The day has been done.
So what's going on here, mate?
Hey, so pretty much everyone's either got a 9 or a strike, and I need to actually get above 9 or I'm gonna have to do the dare, so wish me luck guys. I love you guys. That should have been a strike, man. Oh, please! Please!
Here's the dare. Ethan needs to go into the front of someone else's lane and trip over in their lane, only to get back up and trip again, only to get back up and trip again. That's 3 trips. Let's see what he does. Go, Ethos. Go back. That wasn't in anyone's alley. He has to go back.
What a rude kid. I don't want to inconvenience him.
What a rude kid.
Sorry guys, I have to do a dare.
Sam, what happened? What happened, mate?
I missed my first one, but watch this.
He's getting the dare this round, mate. He's getting the dare.
Hey, so Stan lost this one. So what the dare is for him is he's actually gonna have to go compliment a girl that he doesn't know, and he's got to like stand there for 10 seconds complimenting her. So enjoy guys. Here we go. Ready? on, bro.
Alright, so Liam has finally lost a round, and we've got a perfect dare for Liam. Liam, you ready for this?
I think I am, bro.
Alright.
What is it?
Liam's dare is to go behind the bar counter